Hello, we will discuss about the various tree traversals in a binary tree. So the tree traversals are important because you can use it to identify or search or locate a given data item or a key in a tree, and you can print all the values in a tree has. So it is a process in which you can visit all the nodes of a tree so that you don't miss any nodes. So there are different ways in which you can traverse the binary tree. We have in order, pre-order, post-order, and the reverse of the above three, in order, pre-order, post-order, is the converse in order, converse pre-order, and converse post-order respectively. Apart from these three different ways of traversal, we have an additional pre-traversal in which we do the traversal level-wise, and we call it as the level order traversal. In a pre-order traversal, we traverse the root node and the left and the right. In a post-order, we traverse the left, then the right and the root. In the in-order traversal, we traverse left and then the root and then the right. So this will happen recursively for each of the nodes in the entire binary tree. So we'll discuss each of them in detail with examples. So we are given a binary tree, and first we will discuss or learn how we can construct or write the inner traversal of the binary tree. So recursively, first we have to traverse the subtree in order starting from the root node, and then visit the root of the corresponding subtree, and then traverse the tree, right subtree in order. So this will happen recursively for all the nodes of the tree. The inner traversal of the given tree is A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, and I. Okay. So how have we arrived at this? We will look in detail. So first thing is you have to understand what is in order. In order is left and then the root followed by right. This must be applicable for each of the nodes in the binary tree. So for a start from the root node always. For any traversal, start from the root node. So root node is F. I traverse towards the left. So left I have B. Again I traverse towards the left until there are no more nodes I have to traverse, and there are no more nodes to the left of E. So I can mark E. So now A is visited. A is visited and written. And now left is over the root. So the root of this subtree is B. So I can write B. B is visited. Now the right of this. So the right here is again a subtree. So for this subtree again, we have to apply the left, root and right. So what is the left of the subtree? It is C. The root of the subtree is D, and the right of the subtree is E. So we have visited C, we have visited D and E. So now that all the nodes of this entire tree, left subtree is being visited, the left part of the entire tree is over. So after left, we have to write the root. The root is F, and we can write it here. Now the right subtree. So for the right subtree again I have to recursively apply the left, root and right. So which means the left here is null and the root is G. On the right we have again a subtree here, and hence again I have to apply left, root and right. So G is visited actually. Okay. So H is visited since it is the left of the subtree. After left, the root is I, is visited. And then the right, we have node right. And you can see that all the nodes in the tree are visited. So this is the order in which you have traversed. This will be the answer if you are traversing the tree in order. If you are given a binary search tree and asked to find the in order traversal, always remember that the elements you obtain in order will be in the sorted order. So this is a hint you can note. So next we will discuss about the pre-order traversal. So in pre-order traversal, we have to visit the root and then recursively traverse the left subtree in the pre-order way, followed by recursively traversing the right subtree in the pre-order way. So the output is this. We will look how we have arrived at this output. So starting from the root node, start from F. Since it is pre-order, it is root and then the left and then the right. So the root I had right first, F, and now the left. So left is a subtree over here. For this subtree, I have to recursively apply root left and right. So what is the root here? It is B. It is visited. Left. Left is A. Visited. And right. Right is again a subtree. I have to again apply root left and right. So the root is D. And left is C. Right is E. So visited. C is visited. E is visited. So now that the root and the left part is over, we have to concentrate on the right. It's a subtree, so apply root left and right. Root is G. There is no left. Right is a subtree. The subtree's root is I. Left is H. It has no right. So the pre-order traversal of the given tree is F, B, A, B, C, E, G, H, I. Next we will discuss about the post-order traversal. So in post-order traversal, we recursively traverse the left subtree in post-order way and followed by traversing the right subtree in post-order followed by root. Speak that root. The post-order traversal is given. We will see the explanation of it. So for post-order, it is left and then the right followed by the root. So starting from the root node, I traverse towards the left. The leftmost node is A. I mark A. I write it. Next, we have to traverse to the right. The right is a subtree. So what we do? Again, we apply left, right, and root. The left of the subtree is C. The right is E. And the root of the subtree is D. Now, for this subtree, the left and right is over. We have marked C, E, and D. So after the left and right are over, we have to write the root of this subtree. So write B and mark it as visited. So for the entire tree, the left part is over. Now we have to concentrate on the right, traverse the right. It's a subtree. So again apply left, right, and root. So here left it is null, right is a subtree. You are going to apply left, right, and root again. So left is H, there is no right, and root is I. So now we have visited H, visited I, and now the right part is over, and the root is G, right G, and mark it as visited. So for the entire tree, left subtree is over, right subtree is over, and what is remaining is the root. So mark right F and mark it as visited. So this will be the output of a post-order traversal of the binary tree. So level order traversal, we are going to visit the root, that is the node at level 0 followed by the node at level 1 from the left towards the right, followed by the node at level 2 from the left to right, and so on until the last level of the entire tree. So this is the output. Let us look how we have arrived at it. So first at level 0, yeah, level 0, this is level 1, level 2, level 3. So the node at level 0 is F, followed by the nodes at level 1 are B and G, from the left towards the right. And at level 2 we have A, D, and I, and at level 3 we have C, E, and H. So this is how we can traverse the binary tree in the level order way. So we have discussed about how we can traverse a tree in order, pre-order, post-order, and level order. So as a practice question, you can try the traversal of the given tree in order pre-order and post-order and level order way, and you can answer to this question in the comment section. Thank you.